Welcome, AETalk members. This training video will show you how to create your profile, how to see who viewed your profile, and how to blog on your newsfeed. First, we're going to move your cursor to the upper right-hand corner to your name. And notice that it will drop down and give you some choices. You can update your profile here, create a company, create a post, create a requirement, update your feeds to your news section. We're going to focus on the profile first. So let's click on the icon here, the edit pencil, to edit your profile. Creating a profile is very important because it introduces you to the Real Connects marketplace and to your fellow AETalk members. You'll notice that there's a lot of information here that it asks. Later, when you introduce the platform to your fellow coworkers, you have a lot more. You'll find these fields a lot more helpful. So first, let's take a look here. You can upload a photo. I can click the upload photo link and add a new one, and then size it, and then apply. So a lot of basic information here, like first name, last name, your title, right? Phone number, LinkedIn URL, website URL, what country, city, state section is powered by Google Maps. So right now, by default, we put in New York for our profile, but you can change it. You can add, let's say, just USA, and Google Maps will pull it up, click on it, and United States will be there. Now, the bio is very important because this bio introduces yourself to fellow AETalk members and the marketplace. We suggest that you try to create a profile that's engaging, an engaging description. So, for example, basically, a lot of people, what they do is they'll copy and paste their LinkedIn profile and copy and paste it in here. Now, the what I do section is very important because it'll tell the marketplace what you do. There's an add new role button here, and you'll see the drop down. And most of you guys will probably pick the broker advisor role. So when you click it, it's going to say, are you a broker advisor? Are you a licensed broker and agent? And you'll just check the ones that pertain to you the most. So for example, licensed broker and agent, maybe I'm a commercial broker. I can put in my state and broker license if I like. Information here as well, like your qualifications, what languages, your designation, right? Property class, maybe I work with only class A, class B, class C, or maybe all. We have a lot of fields here. And again, you may notice that there's a lot of description here, more than you may need to answer, but that's just because it's more better suited for the commercial residential agents that currently use our platform. And as you introduce the platform to your fellow members, you'll see the benefits of this as well. So just fill out the best that you can. There's only a couple required fields. Anything with a red star is required. So anything that's not, it's optional. And Real Connects, we understand the need for privacy on the platform. So anything that you don't want on your profile public, you can lock it right here. This little lock icon. Each field has a lock icon. I can lock all the fields I like. And if a person wants to see it, they will have to request permission to access the profile. Scrolling down a little bit more, you can also opt in to join the business referral and collaboration program just by checking this box and then answering some questions as well. Then deals can be referred to you as well. Scrolling down a little bit more, locations where you do business is a lot like I can just choose a region that I work in, perhaps the Northeast, or I can just put in USA. Okay. Privacy settings, Real Connects allows you to control your privacy settings as public as you like or as private as you like. So feel free and take a look here and see about your privacy settings. You can make it public, private, verified. Choice is yours. And when you're ready, just scroll down to the bottom here and hit Save and Publish Profile, and that will update your profile. Now, next, we're going to talk about people viewing your profile. So after you create the profile, we'll hit the dashboard icon. Click it here. That'll take you to the Real Connects dashboard. Here, the live ticker area is where you'll see who's been viewing your profile, your company profile, and your post. So as you create your other profiles, like the company, which we're going to get to next, you'll see who's been looking at it. For example, we have 10 views here, and there's a filter I can drop down by. So I can see who viewed my profile recently. And you see the people that viewed my profile recently. And more important, everyone here is already set up with the discussion boards. You can see, for example, you can view which latest members have posted on the discussion area. So I can move my filter down to discussion. And you can see here multiple people posted in discussions that I posted in. I can find out the subject and then view the discussion here. Now, something we suggest that you do next is create a company profile. If you click on your name again, you'll notice the second choice is My Companies. You can create your association here as well. There's a Create and Connect to a Company button. I click on that. I could type in my association. Let's say the Realtors Association Now, if your association is already in here, you'll see that it'll try to find results that matches, and then you just click on the one that matches. So for example, I work for Real Connects. If I type in Real Connects, I'll see some matches for Real Connects I can link to. Otherwise, I can connect or create my own association name here. So back to the Real Estate Association of New York. Just making it up. I hit create. And notice here you have a lot of fields you'll have to enter to let the membership know about your association. This will be your company. So basic things like number of professionals, date established, year in business. And again, I could be as public or as private as I like. These fields are not required. I could leave them blank. Areas we do business. And then I can even control who could become a member of my company. So as members from your association join Real Connect, you can let them connect with your company as well. And then when you're ready, we'll hit save and publish. Now, a lot of you guys may notice on the upper right-hand corner, there's a Get Verified badge. This will change at some point with this and adding the AETalk badge. If you want to know more about verification, we do get people asking about it when they see the red X in the upper right-hand corner. Now, focusing back on your name again, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner, and we're going to scroll down to My Feeds. My Feeds is very important because here you can blog an article, a business opportunity, an idea, an update. So it's slightly different than your discussion. This is where you can blog a 600-character article, just like LinkedIn allows you to. So you can post an article like the growing trends of real estate, let's say. Let's just start typing an article. You see, I used up 33 characters. I can upload an image. I can share post or profile. So any profiles that I create, like the one we just created a few moments ago, I can share it here as well. And then I can post it right to the dashboard. So here in the blog section, if I go back to dashboard and scroll down a little bit, you'll see here is the blogging section, and you'll see other members that blog. So feel free and take advantage of this feature. Again, to blog on the platform, just move your cursor up here, click My Feeds, and you can start blogging here as well. So to wrap up, today we talked about how to update your profile, hitting this edit pencil to update my profile, creating a My Company profile, and then creating my feeds to blog an article. And thank you so much for joining us and watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at any time. Our email address is support@realconnects.com. And thank you for watching, and thank you for using AE Talks powered by Real Connects.